Today we're comparing two powerful AI art platforms, Leonardo AI and OpenArt AI. Which one gives you better creative control, value, and user experience? Quick disclaimer, this is based on available research and user feedback, not professional advice. Leonardo AI is a highly polished AI content platform offering image generation and painting, video creation, 3D texture generation, and more. It's known for fine-tuned models like Phoenix, Vision XL, and Lightning XL, plus community and collaboration features that by Canvas acquisition. OpenArt AI is a robust web-based suite offering text-to-image, image-to-image, prompt-based customization, training capabilities, and editing tools, all accessible directly in browser. According to Toolkit Least Comparison, both platforms score highly overall, 4.7 to 4.8 out of 5. Leonardo AI edges ahead in accuracy and reliability and integration capabilities, while OpenArt wins on cost efficiency, performance and speed and support and resources. Users generally praise Leonardo AI for its image quality and tools. However, Reddit users report recurring issues like inconsistent generation accuracy, poor customer support, difficulty canceling subscriptions, and token loss on downgrade. There's less public feedback about OpenArt AI, though its comparison scores suggest strong usability and value. Why creators choose Leonardo AI over OpenArt AI? Leonardo AI is often preferred by professionals needing advanced model control, cinematic input, for example, Vision XL, and seamless collaboration, ideal for concept artists and production workflows. While OpenArt AI is great for those wanting a flexible, browser-based creative suite with lots of editing tools and a generous free to mid tier access, especially for beginners or casual creators. For the final verdict, if we talk about legitimacy and strengths, both platforms are legitimate and widely used, each showcasing impressive AI capabilities. Leonardo AI wins for advanced modeling, polished features, and high customization, while OpenArt AI offers excellent cost efficiency, speed, and usability. The questions are some users struggle with Leonardo's subscription handling and inconsistent generation quality. OpenArt seems more reliable for steady, browser based access but lacks a large public review base. Bottom line, if you need pro level control and plugin style workflows, go with Leonardo AI. If you prioritize speed, affordability, and ease of use, especially without Discord, OpenArt AI is the smart choice. That's our side by side of Leonardo AI versus OpenArt AI. Which one aligns with your creative workflow? Let me know in the comments. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and then ring the bell for more AI tool breakdowns. Until next time, stay creative and informed.